Hi everyone, I hope everyone are fine today. In this video, I'm going to share with all of you the importance of consistency and achieving your goals. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah. She was determined to make her dreams come true. Sarah had always wanted to become a successful artist. She had a passion for painting and loved expressing herself through her artwork. However, there was one big problem. She lacked consistency. At first, Sarah was excited and inspired. She spent countless hours painting, creating beautiful pieces. But after a few weeks, life got in the way and she stopped. Sometimes she would pick up her brush for a few days, but then the motivation would fade. Weeks would pass and Sarah would feel discouraged, wondering why she wasn't seeing any progress. One day, Sarah decided to visit her favorite art gallery. As she admired the paintings on display, she noticed that every successful artist had something in common: consistency. They had all spent years perfecting their craft. It wasn't talent alone that got them to the top, but the small, consistent efforts they made each day. Sarah realized that she needed to change her approach. She did not have to create a masterpiece every day, but she needed to paint regularly, even if it was just for an hour. She set a goal for herself: paint for at least 30 minutes every day. No excuse, no distraction. At first, it was hard. Some days she did not feel inspired, and other days she was too tired. But Sarah kept going. She painted a little every day, whether it was a small sketch or a large canvas. Over time, she started seeing progress. Her skills improved, and so did her confidence. Her portfolio grew and she began to sell some of her paintings. Sarah realized that her success did not come from working on her art for hours in a single day, but from the small, consistent efforts over time. As months went by, Sarah began to build a name for herself in the art community. She learned that consistency was the key to achieving her goals, whether it was in her artwork or in any other aspect of life. She continued to paint every day, and soon she had enough pieces for her first solo exhibition. The exhibition was a success, and Sarah sold many of her paintings. She had finally achieved her dream, but she knew the journey wasn't over. The key to her success was the consistency she had maintained. She learned that big dreams are achieved with small, consistent actions over time. Moral of the story: success does not happen overnight. The faith to achieving your goals and tapped with small, consistent actions, no matter how big or small your dream is. It is the daily effort that aids up to success in the end. Stay consistent, keep working on your goals, and trust the process, because consistency is the key to achieving anything you set your mind to. Okay, so what are the highlights of the story? This story highlights the importance of consistency and achieving long term goals, and emphasizes that success is built on steady, daily effort rather than big leaps. Whether it isn't in art, business, or in any other field, consistency is the foundation of progress.